Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to claim free items quickly on Roblox easiest badges. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to get it done, and by going ahead and search for the hunt, right? And by searching by the hunt game, or the hunt experience is basically you're gonna be able to enter that game and with your Roblox character, and you're gonna be able to see many portals. And many portals here, it says this hunt will take you into the infinite vault, where you will find like a futuristic treasures collected through Roblox, space and time. In the infinite vault, what's old is new and new is old. Have you traveled forwards or backwards in time? Which way you go does not matter, only how many treasures you gather. So basically each vault or each portal, you're gonna be able to enter a new world, and you're gonna be able to collect treasures and so many rewards right here. And you're gonna be able to complete like every portal. We're gonna have a badge, right? And you're gonna be able to climb the ladder, as they say. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.